But I can tell you that I have experienced when a curriculum is not coherent, where we struggle, and that our sixth grade really struggles.
Number talks, other math routines like 3 reads routine, notice and wonder, those kind of things. I think if you do them school-wide, district-wide, it builds a synergy and it makes math more coherent because kids know what this strategy is.
Using, real world data that the students collect themselves to then analyze and apply, the mathematical principles to it. And, it is a great option of learning through the process.
It's kind of a cyclical thing, really, of the whole idea of what we're teaching, when we're teaching, and when do you want to assess, and what are you using that assessment for too? Like, don't just give the test to give a test. Use it for the purpose of teaching, learning, and planning.
We're doing this interesting balance where direct instruction fits in, and where you scaffold and how you scaffold, and really helping our teachers understand that you can think and problem solve and think critically even if you don't have the language.
We have so many kids who are seem defeated with math. So we try to be consistent with that message across the entire district. Everyone's been trained, from teachers, administrators, parents, school board, IAs, everybody, on growth mindset.
But I think for teachers, the barriers is that they've been so comfortable with doing what they were taught and what they were going through in college. And I just think they feel so comfortable with that old school way of teaching. They fear taking that jump into this unknown.
What are things that we would like for you to be seeing and things we want for teachers to be able to do to best address this unfinished learning that is, like I said, already prevalent in all classrooms and all grade levels?
We used to always say across the district, if it's a new concept, it needs direct instruction, but I kind of shy away from that now too, because in math, that, every chapter is a new concept.
I think our principals have been trained that it should be a noisy classroom, that a quiet classroom is not necessarily a good thing.
I think it goes back to the time. You need to have the time, which costs money, but we need to have the time and the money. If we're expecting teachers to implement new curriculum and change the way that they teach, we have to give them the time to prepare to do so properly.